Hi there, students. To flatline. To flatline. I think all one word. You might put a hyphen in it as well. It's a verb. To flatline. Let's see. The basic meaning. You know these hospital dramas where somebody's in intensive care and the machine's going beep, beep, beep. And you see the ECG or the EEG, and it goes like this. Well, to flatline is when it goes beep and the person is dead. Yeah, this is saying that the vital signs on the medical monitoring equipment are flat. There's no response. So to flatline, to die. Yeah, the patient flatlined, and you could use it like that. But let's see, we use this informally as a metaphor. Yeah, so his career flatlined. Yeah, he stopped being popular. He stopped being successful. Yeah, so he had to flatline, to go to a very low level and continue be flat without any change. Yeah, so an undertaking, a project can flatline. Sales were quite good for the first couple of months, but then they flatlined. Yeah, the project flatlined. It failed. It didn't succeed. Yeah, my career has already flatlined 3 times. Okay, so to flatline, to not be successful. You can also use flatline as well to say to remain static at the same level. So initially, this political party was very popular, but now their share of the vote has flatlined at 8%. So to continue in the same state with no progress, no advancement, just a straight line. And this is the idea of the other idea of to flatline. So it can either mean to fail miserably. Yeah, the show flatlined after a couple of weeks. It failed completely. Yeah, or to flatline, not to go up, not to go down, to remain exactly the same. To flatline, to die. Yeah. Okay, sales have flatlined over the past couple of months. They haven't gone up, they haven't gone down. The party's popularity rating has flatlined over the past couple of months. No change in this. Okay, so to flatline, to not change, to continue the same. Okay, so it can mean to drop to a low level and then go into a line, or to continue at a steady level without changing. But for a patient in your hospital drama, if somebody flatlines, they die. Yeah, this is for your electrocardiogram or your electroencephalogram, something like that. Okay, so to flatline. Yeah, his popularity has flatlined. It's not changing. The company's earnings this year have flatlined. Okay, so formality. Yeah, this is informal. The medical use or the metaphoric use. These are both informal. For informality. 3.5. Use it informally. Use it in a semi-formal conversation. Semi-formal writing, just about, but certainly nothing formal. Yeah, and then as to the origin, well, the line is flat. Yeah, the patient has died. Yeah, so to flatline, well, I hope my popularity continues to grow and doesn't flatline, just stagnate. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Flatline.